welcome back to Machine Arena, where raw power meets unmatched precision. Today, we're diving deep into the world of massive sawmills and wood processing beasts. Let's fire up the blades. First up, the mighty Serra Africa XE160, going head-to-head with one of the toughest hardwoods on the planet, Shawawako, also known as Kumaru. What makes this such an impressive matchup? Shawawako is a tropical hardwood, renowned for its density, hardness, and resistance. It's used in outdoor decking, heavy construction, and high-end furniture. Cutting through this timber is no easy feat. But the Africa XE160 doesn't just cut, it dominates. This machine is built for high-performance mobile sawing. Its wide bandsaw blade and rugged steel construction allow it to tackle logs of large diameters with ease. In this scene, we see the XE160 carefully slice through the Shawawako with smooth precision. You can practically hear the blade singing as it bites into the wood grain. What's particularly remarkable is how stable the saw remains during the entire cut. Even against the extreme density of Kumaru, there's no shudder, no vibration, just clean, fluid passes. That speaks volumes about the engineering underneath. Major highlight is the blade tensioning system. This ensures perfect alignment, minimizing friction and wear. It also contributes to the long lifespan of both the blade and the machine. You can tell this unit is built for operators who demand quality results without compromise. Notice the control station, ergonomic, simple, and responsive. Operators can make micro adjustments in real time, changing the height of the blade or the feed speed depending on the density of the cut. When working with Kumaru, that level of control is crucial to avoid overheating or blade damage. The Africa XE160 isn't just about power. It's about precision, reliability, and durability. You can set it up in remote locations, feed it the hardest logs you've got, and it'll keep going, hour after hour. This isn't just a sawmill. It's a mobile timber processing powerhouse, perfect for operations deep in the forest or right on the edge of commercial logging sites. And when it's time to transport, the unit folds up efficiently and securely. Its mobility and transportability add to the value, making it ideal for small to medium operators who need pro-level performance in tough environments. In this demo, we're not just seeing a machine, we're seeing confidence. When the XE160 sinks its blade into Kumaru, there's no hesitation, just raw, mechanical precision backed by brilliant design. Next, we turn to the Avant Techno Loader, making light work of forestry conditions. Don't let the compact frame fool you. This machine punches well above its weight class. In this demo, the loader is fitted with a powerful wood chipper, chewing through thick branches like they're twigs. The hydraulic feed is responsive and aggressive, perfect for continuous processing without clogging. The Avant's maneuverability is what makes it a star in the woods. Its articulated chassis lets it snake through narrow paths, hillsides, and cluttered yards with ease. And with over 190 attachment options available, this loader isn't limited to chipping. It can lift, dig, grind, and haul. Its control system is intuitive, allowing precise operation even on uneven terrain. In forestry work, where space is tight and hazards are everywhere, that control translates to safety and speed. Whether you're clearing storm debris, cleaning up after a harvest, or maintaining woodlots, Avant machines are a smart choice for flexibility and performance. Now we shift to a hydraulic peeling machine, the unsung hero of wooden crate and packaging production. This rugged unit is designed to process raw roundwood and turn it into uniform wooden slats. It does that by stripping bark and smoothing the log surface, all through powerful hydraulic pressure and precision blade control. The infeed rollers lock the timber in place while the machine steadily advances it toward a cutting head. Here, a rotating blade shaves off the outer layers, revealing clean, splinter-free slats, ideal for making boxes and crates. In one shift, about 8 hours, this setup can process up to 8 cubic meters of raw material. That makes it a workhorse for mid-sized manufacturers, where efficiency and consistency matter more than ever. This isn't high-speed glamour. It's steady, reliable, and built for repeatable accuracy. Operators can easily fine-tune the pressure and feed speed depending on the wood type and moisture content. It's a specialized job, but a critical one. Without machines like this, the food and produce industries would have a hard time packaging their goods in durable, breathable wooden crates. Following the peeling process comes precision cutting, and that's where this hydraulic shear shines. Designed for slicing wooden slats into crate-length pieces, these scissors deliver consistent cuts every time. A simple control panel adjusts blade spacing, giving operators fine control over dimensions. The action is smooth, fast, and clean. No splinters, no uneven edges. It's compact, but don't mistake it for light duty. With the right settings, this tool can process a full stack of slats in minutes, ready for assembly. Whether you're running a small workshop or a full-on crate factory, this shear saves time and reduces waste. Let's get up close with the Serra Alpina KE90, a mobile bandsaw mill that brings pro-grade performance to your own workyard. This model is engineered for precision cutting of logs up to 90 centimeters in diameter. Whether you're producing beams, boards, or custom timber lengths, the KE90 brings everything you need in a compact, transportable form. At the heart of this machine is an 80 millimeters wide blade, driven by a robust 18.5 kilowatts electric motor. That's more than enough power to glide through oak, pine, or other hardwoods without flinching. The frame is hot-dip galvanized, offering long-term resistance to corrosion. That means less maintenance, longer life, and better resale value. And with an optional 9-meter track length, you're not limited to short stock. This mill can handle serious timber. Watch how smooth the feed system is. It's fully adjustable, allowing operators to control the speed of the cut and the height of the blade. Whether you're slicing inch-thick boards or cutting large beams, every pass is steady and clean. The optional accessories really expand its power. Hydraulic log clamps, blade tensioners, pre-cutters, and even dust collection. It's a true modular system. Build it the way your operation needs it. Despite its compact footprint, the KE90 performs like a heavyweight. It's designed for operators who need high-quality output without the overhead of a stationary mill. This isn't a novelty or a hobby saw. It's a serious tool for serious work. Whether you're milling on-site in the forest or running a small production yard, the KE90 delivers results you can rely on, day in and day out. We wrap up with a beast built for bulk, the Canterline saw. Designed for processing massive logs, this industrial-grade system slices off flat cant faces with precision and speed. It's fully automated, feeding, aligning, and cutting logs for maximum yield. Whether in a high-output mill or a specialized production line, these saws are unmatched in throughput and accuracy. Big logs? No problem. These machines eat them for breakfast. Thanks for watching Machine Arena. If you enjoyed seeing these sawmill monsters in action, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more raw industrial power.